I never skip planting this each fall. While many gardeners start to think about putting tools away and letting the garden rest, there's one crop I never skip planting: garlic. Garlic is one of the easiest crops to grow, and it rewards your patience with rich flavor, multiple uses in the kitchen, and even some natural pest-repelling powers. In fact, I plant garlic not just for its taste, but also because it helps keep rodents and other critters away from nearby vegetables like squash, peppers, and tomatoes. It's like a little guardian for your garden, quietly working its magic while you enjoy the changing leaves. When it comes to garlic, there are a few main types you'll want to know about: softneck and hardneck. Softneck garlic is the type you'll often see in grocery stores. It produces several layers of cloves in each bulb, stores very well, and is generally milder in flavor. Softneck varieties like Italian Early are great for warmer climates and for anyone wanting garlic that keeps for months after harvest. Hardneck garlic, on the other hand, grows best in colder climates and tends to have a more complex, robust flavor. Hardneck varieties like Music and Chestnut Red produce fewer but larger cloves and send up a scape, or flower stalk, in the spring that you can also harvest and cook with. Another hardneck favorite is Inchelium Red, which is known for its sweet, rich flavor and cold hardiness. Each of these types has something unique to offer, so your choice depends on your taste preference, local climate, and storage needs. Beyond its culinary uses, garlic offers a little extra magic in the garden. Its strong scent and natural compounds can deter rodents and other small pests, making it a helpful companion plant for squash, tomatoes, peppers, and other vegetables. Planting garlic around your garden borders or interspersed among your crops can reduce unwanted visitors without the need for harsh chemicals. It's a simple way to add both flavor and protection to your garden in one easy step. Planting garlic in the fall is simple, but timing is important. Garlic needs a cold period to develop properly, so you generally want to plant it about 4 to 6 weeks before your first hard frost. This gives the cloves time to establish roots before winter sets in, without sending up long shoots that could get damaged by freezing temperatures. In most areas, this means mid-September to late October is ideal, but check your local frost dates to be sure. The soil should be loose, well-drained, and enriched with compost or a little organic fertilizer to give your garlic a strong start. When preparing garlic for planting, always start with healthy, firm bulbs from a reputable source. Avoid using supermarket garlic, which is often treated to prevent sprouting and may carry disease. Break the bulb apart into individual cloves, keeping the papery skins intact. Choose the largest cloves for planting; they usually produce the biggest bulbs. Plant each clove pointy side up, about 2 inches deep, and space them roughly 4 to 6 inches apart in rows 12 inches apart. Cover them with soil and lightly mulch with straw or leaves to protect the cloves over winter. This mulch also helps conserve moisture and keeps weeds at bay, which is especially helpful since garlic will stay in the ground for months before sprouting in spring. Garlic is remarkably low maintenance once it's planted. In early spring, you'll see shoots emerge as the weather warms, and the garlic will continue to grow steadily through late spring and early summer. One of the benefits of garlic is that it doesn't require much fertilizer beyond the initial soil preparation. You can, however, side dress with a little compost or balanced fertilizer in spring to encourage larger bulbs. Keep the bed weed-free and water during dry periods, but be careful not to overwater, as garlic doesn't like soggy soil. Harvesting garlic is another exciting part of the process. Depending on the variety, garlic is usually ready to harvest in mid to late summer, when the lower leaves start to turn brown while the upper leaves remain green. This signals that the bulbs have matured and are ready to be pulled. To harvest, gently loosen the soil with a garden fork and lift the bulbs out, taking care not to bruise or cut them. Once harvested, garlic needs to be cured before storage. Lay the bulbs in a warm, dry, and well-ventilated area, out of direct sunlight, for 2 to 3 weeks. This drying process helps the garlic store longer and enhances its flavor. After curing, trim the roots and cut the stems if you like, leaving a few inches of stem attached, and store your garlic in a cool, dry, dark place. Properly cured and stored garlic can last for months, providing fresh flavor well into the next growing season. In summary, fall is the perfect time to get back into the garden and plant garlic. Whether you choose softneck varieties like Italian, Early for long storage, or cold hardy hardneck types like Music, Chestnut Red, or Inchelium Red, the process is straightforward and rewarding. Plant your cloves a few weeks before the first frost, give them well-prepared soil and a protective mulch, and then let nature do its work over the winter. Come summer, You'll enjoy a bountiful harvest of flavorful bulbs that not only taste amazing but also provide a natural defense for your other crops. Garlic is a gardener's secret weapon, and once you start planting it each fall, you'll never want to skip this simple, powerful and delicious crop.